Canva makes it very, very simple for you to make a flyer. It really doesn't take that much. It is free, but you also have a pro model, which is what I have. But again, it's so simple. There is so many samples and things like that that you're gonna see here. So let's say, for example, you're throwing a party, maybe you're doing a birthday party or something like that. You could just simply come here to Canva and go to the search and just put birthday party flyer. Let's see what we got going on here. And check this out, guys. Very, very simple. So you could pick something like this. Again, there are some fancy ones, as you can see right here. But there's other ones, that are very, very simple, like this one. So let's click on this right here. And this one is a pro model. Again, I do have the pro model, but you don't have to. And we're going to click create right there. And you're going to see it right here. It says birthday party, the day. So now we could just switch the day. Let's say, for example, is going to be August 16th, and it's going to be in the address that you want to put in there. Time, let's make sure we put 7 p.m. Phone guarantee, or you could do something else, right? Come and celebrate my birthday party, and any special details that you want to pass, right? In this case, this one does have a couple other things in here. Example, some of those numbers right here you could grab, and then you could put them in the flyer itself. So if I'm going to turn 40, which I'm older than that, but if I'm going to turn 40, I'm going to grab this. I'm going to grab this 0 right here, put it right there. And maybe I want to add up something else to the flyer. I could just simply grab this, copy and paste, and let's put it right here. And then I want to put some wording. Let's say I do something like happy, and then right below it says 40, right? We're going to make it a little bit bigger. Just to do that, we're going to come up here to the numbers and happy 40, a little bit bigger. So again, you could be as creative as you want, and obviously this is something that you could just do here in Canva for really no money. I'm going to erase this down here because we're not going to use this one. So this is just going to be the flyer. Instead of having fun here, guarantee, I'm just going to put happy birthday Fabian, right? I'm going to make it bigger because I want people to see this. So I'm going to come up here and make it a lot bigger, right? I'm going to grab this and let's go ahead and let's go to obviously the site and let's make this happy birthday Fabian a little bit bigger, right? Put it right there. And you see, guys, that's just very simple. I mean, it takes nothing. From there, I could click right here to share. I'm going to go to download. And obviously, I could pick some of the settings there if I want to download that at a higher quality. But, I'm happy with that. I'm going to click download and it's going to download that. Now I could grab that file and I could share that on Facebook or wherever I want. So again, Canva is great for flyer, great for all kind of different events, from weddings to birthday to special parties to whatever you got going on in your business as well. Canva can help you. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. Subscribe and see you in the next one.